School, grades 1 to 6, and junior high school. Okay, face forward. Pakita po natin ang ngiting ganda, ngiting Madre Pia. Calling the attention of the Muse of grade 3, St. Augustine. The Muse of grade 3, St. Augustine, thank you. Please come up on stage. Bye everyone! Look at the camera. Ipakita po natin ang ngiting ganda, ngiting Madre Pia. Oh, di ba? May pose. Face forward po, Mrs. and Escort. Yan. Thank you po, Sai. Thank you, Maria. Posing po ng maganda. Yan. Alright, thank you po. With that, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to all the parents, the teachers, as well as the faculty and staff who had given their support to make this event a meaningful